How to avoid jet lag. Hey there, travelers. Jet lag can be a real bummer, but today we've got some easy tips to help you dodge it. Let's dive in. Think of your body like a car engine. When you travel across time zones, your engine needs to adjust to a new rhythm. Here's how you can fine-tune your engine to avoid jet lag. First, start prepping your engine before the trip. Adjust your sleep schedule a few days before you fly. It's like warming up your car in winter, getting everything ready for the road. Staying hydrated. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your flight. Think of it as keeping your engine well oiled so it runs smoothly. Managing light exposure. Use light to help reset your internal clock. When you arrive, get outside in natural light. It's like setting your engine's timing to match the new time zone. Skipping heavy meals. Avoid heavy meals before and during your flight. It's like not overloading your car's fuel tank before a big journey. Light meals will keep you feeling good. Short naps with caution. If you need to nap, keep it short. Long naps can throw off your new schedule. Think of it as giving your engine a quick tune-up instead of a complete overhaul. Gradual adjustment. Ease into your new time zone. On arrival, try to stick to the local schedule as much as possible. It's like slowly adjusting your car's speed to match the new road conditions. And there you have it. Follow these tips and your body will be running smoothly, just like a well-tuned engine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels. How does that sound? Ready to hit the road, or rather the skies, without jet lag?
Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.